Hello everyone, this is Srini. Welcome to my channel. These days, air travel has become a part of our daily lives, whether it's a quick business trip, a vacation, or visiting family across the world. Flights help us save time and stay connected. But have you ever wondered what really happens behind the scenes of every flight? Why do we sometimes hear announcements like your flight is delayed, the gate has changed, or the flight is diverted? What exactly triggers those messages, and how do airlines manage it all so smoothly? In today's video, we'll explore all these details, the real-time updates, the systems, and the people who work together to keep aviation safe and efficient. So, fasten your seatbelts because we're ready for takeoff. So first, what exactly are flight updates? Flight updates are the heartbeat of aviation communication. They are real-time messages that track every change in a flight's journey. For travelers, these updates mean instant alerts about check-in, gate changes, or delays. For airlines, they help manage crews, aircraft, and schedules efficiently. And for developers and IT teams, flight updates make sure that every connected system from airline apps to airport displays stays perfectly synchronized. In simple words, flight updates connect what's happening in the air with what you see on your phone or screen, helping everyone stay informed, safe, and on time. Creating a flight begins long before takeoff. Airlines start by carefully planning the route, deciding which path the aircraft will take through the sky. Next, they assign the right aircraft for the journey and set up the crew schedule, making sure pilots and flight attendants meet all rest and duty requirements. Then comes the flight number, departure time, and even fuel calculation. Every detail is planned with precision. Once all data is finalized, it's uploaded to the global flight operations system, where airports, apps, and booking platforms can access it instantly. This moment marks the official start of the flight's digital journey, long before passengers even step on board. Now let's talk about scheduled time changes. Sometimes, flights are adjusted even before departure. This usually happens because of factors like bad weather, air traffic restrictions, or crew duty limits, instead of waiting for problems to occur. Airlines proactively modify the schedule to avoid last-minute chaos and keep flights running smoothly. Passengers are informed through emails, text messages, or airline apps, giving them enough time to plan their next steps. By managing these changes early, airlines reduce stress for passengers and maintain better control over their entire operation. Now let's talk about flight delays, something every traveler has experienced at least once. A delay means the flight departs 15 minutes or more after the scheduled time. The most common reasons include technical issues, crew unavailability, bad weather, or congestion in busy airspace. Airlines constantly monitor and update the estimated departure and arrival times, helping passengers plan better and stay informed. Clear and timely communication during delays plays a major role in maintaining trust between the airline and its passengers. Even though delays are frustrating, good coordination and communication can make a big difference. Every flight goes through a defined process called the flight cycle, a sequence of key stages from start to finish. It begins with blockout, the moment the aircraft pushes back from the gate and begins its journey. Next comes takeoff, as the plane lifts off the runway and climbs into the sky. Then comes landing, when it safely touches down at its destination airport. And finally, lock-in, when the aircraft parks at the gate, marking the official end of the flight. Each of these stages triggers real-time updates across multiple systems, from baggage handling to crew scheduling and even aircraft maintenance. These synchronized updates keep operations efficient, reduce delays, and ensure passengers reach their destinations safely and on time. Sometimes a flight cannot reach its planned destination, and this situation is called a diversion. A diversion may happen due to severe weather, medical emergencies, technical problems, or even airport closures. When this occurs, the aircraft is rerouted to the nearest safe and suitable airport. The airline's operations team immediately activates diversion protocols, arranging refueling, coordinating with ground staff, and helping passengers with meals or accommodation if required. While diversions can be inconvenient, They play a critical role in ensuring safety and managing unexpected emergencies with precision and care. Sometimes a flight gets cancelled, often because of bad weather, technical maintenance, or crew shortages. When that happens, passengers are notified right away, and the airline provides rebooking or refund options to minimize disruption. But if the situation improves, for example, the weather clears up, or a replacement aircraft becomes available, the same flight can be reinstated and allowed to operate as planned. Both cancellation and reinstatement updates are shared instantly across all systems, helping passengers stay informed and confident that their airline is handling things efficiently. Return operations: when a flight goes back to its origin after pushback or takeoff, there are two main types. First, ATB, or air turn back. This happens after takeoff. Reasons include engine alerts, passenger emergencies, or technical issues. It requires fast decision making, air traffic coordination, and clear communication with passengers. Second, RTR, or return to ramp. This happens before takeoff. Reasons include quick technical checks or resolving onboard issues. Safety is always the priority. Clear communication and crew coordination are essential. Quick and efficient resolution minimizes passenger disruption. Every aircraft has a unique tail number, just like a vehicle license plate. Airlines sometimes swap aircraft due to maintenance issues or availability, even if the flight number stays the same. The tail number changes to reflect the new aircraft. This ensures operational flexibility while keeping safety and maintenance records accurate. Tracking tail numbers allows regulators to monitor maintenance history, inspections, and any technical alerts passengers rarely notice. But it's vital for flight integrity and regulatory compliance. So, the next time your flight uses a different plane, it's all part of keeping aviation safe and efficient. Behind every flight update is a massive network of aviation IT systems. These systems connect airlines, airports, and global data providers. They process thousands of updates every second. From delays to gate changes. For example, a flight delay in New York is instantly shared with airports in Toronto and London. The challenge is ensuring accuracy, speed, and system reliability. Even during peak travel hours, any delay in these digital updates can affect flight tracking, passenger information, and airport operations. That's why robust IT infrastructure, APIs, and AI-driven monitoring are critical in modern aviation. Modern aviation relies on these systems to keep flights safe, on time, and passengers informed. So to wrap up, flight updates are the heartbeat of aviation. They keep travelers informed, help airlines coordinate efficiently, and support developers building real-time systems. We covered how updates work, from flight creation, schedule changes, and diversions, to cancellations, return operations, and IP challenges. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe. Tell me in the comments which city and country you're watching from. I love hearing from you. Your feedback keeps me motivated to create more aviation and tech videos.